Hey guys, today we're going to go over how to access Transactiondesk through MLS to write an offer for a buyer. The first thing that we're going to do is go to las.mlsmatrix.com. From here, you'll put in your public ID and password. Once you're logged in, there are two different options. You can either use Transactiondesk right here on your dashboard, or if you're already logged into Matrix, you can use the external links and go into Transactiondesk from there. Once that opens, the next step would be going into Create Transaction, adding your street name for the property that you're writing the address. I would suggest using a template. This will pull SMG documents that you'll need throughout the transaction. We are importing data from MLS, and here you would put in your MLS number and create transaction. Once that's done, you will go through a couple steps on here. I skip through these until you get to your contacts. From here, you will add your buyer, add, create new contact, select buyer, put in their first name, last name, and email. This will save you time later on in the transaction when you're sending documents for e-sign. That's it for now. Thank you.